wants me, I know. And when I folk on me a day tonight, she a calling my phone. Oh, she say when it's so unruly, tell me the main reason you want to move me. Hello, hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? How are you doing, my beautiful fellow traders? Good to have you. Good to have you around. Come through. It's your girl Lena over here. Let us get started. Let us dive into the market and we see what we can get out of it. All right. Good to have you all. Good to have you all. It's a beautiful day today. It's a bright day. So definitely we expect the market to also be bright. Of course, we do not expect it. The market behaves the way it wants to behave, but why not be positive? All right. So come through, join me. Let's see how to go about it. So right. Good to have you all. Let us dive into the market together. So widely, Arabian girl, I want die for me. She has us you out, girl, go I'm on no screen, Guys, Camilo is in the building. Hi, Camilo, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. It's a beautiful Wednesday. How have you spent your day? How is your day going? Over here, my day is amazing. Good to have you. Chinedu is in the building. Yes, my day is great. My day is great. And definitely, I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy to join in. I'm so happy to have you guys join in. So let us get into it. Let us see what we have to do about today's market, right? That is Sanjay Vanakam. Sanjay, good to have you. Good to have you. How is Sri Lanka? How are the people over that side doing? Hope all is well. And I am blessed. I feel so happy and blessed to have you join in. Okay, Charlie is in the building. Hi, girl. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. It is our trading time already. All right. So, no wasting time. Let us watch the market together. Of course, with binary option trading, that is what we are having on pocket option pocket option broker. Gold OTC, that is the chart that you are seeing over there. And I'm using pure price action as my strategy, so no wasting time. As you can see over there, we are in an uptrend, and at a pullback, I close at a plus. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Definitely, Sanjay. I will be letting you know. I will be letting you know. When you told me that the first time, I added that on my list. So it is already in my notebook. No worries, no worries, no worries. Okay. Let's go. It is good to know that all is well, my beautiful people. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Let's go. Okay. I said I talked about the pure price action, right? My strategy. What is your strategy? What strategy are you counting on? What strategy are you using in your trading, right? Share with me. Let me know. Let me know how you do it, how you're finding your trading. Is it improving? Is it better? Are you getting to where you wish to be, or things are still disturbing you a little? Let me know, and let me know where to come in. All right, so send in a question, one or two. Let us get into it when we still have time. All right, if you want me to talk about my strategy, let me know. For the indicator, as you can see over here, I definitely use the alligator indicator most of the times, but you should also know that I do not use it alone. The fact that I stated my strategy, which is price action. Oof, closing a loss over there. Sorry about that. So with my strategy, the indicator backs it up. So I do not only focus on one, which is the indicator, but I definitely have the strategy that I use, which I advise actually you should be having. Make sure to trade with a strategy, okay? Okay, so let us proceed. Just wanting to know exactly how the market is working out over here. Waiting to catch some amazing moves over here. No chasing the market, guys. No revenge trading. Okay. Let me tell you, for someone who is a beginner, one thing I can assure you is that in binary options trading, there are very, very many opportunities. There are very, very many moves that you can see where you can actually end up closing at a plus, right? Or closing in profits. So as a trader or as a beginner, you do not have to over trade or to carry out very many trades. Just a few, for as long as they're giving you profits, for as long as you're benefiting from it, carry out just a few, get out of the market. All right. It's not all about very many entries, very many entries. What if all those entries that you're making are actually closing in a loss? Okay. So just take time, few trades, but profitable are all we need. Okay, so let us proceed. That is Carlos. Hi, Carlos. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you joining. How have you been? Guys, how are you doing? How are you doing? What's up? What's up? Fill me in. Oh my goodness. We are in a continuation over here. Okay. Right. So definitely over there at break of structure, I definitely anticipated that we were going to have a pullback. So that's why I had placed in that trade. But one thing I keep telling you is that at times also the timing matters so much, right? Okay, so let us proceed. Hi Gloria, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you, good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. It's a beautiful day over here. It's a beautiful Wednesday. How has your day been? How is trading going? Is everything okay? Is everything getting better in your trading life? Let me know, guys. Let me know. Yes, my dear. I did. And one thing I can tell you is that you see, trading, because I had people here asking me when is the best time to trade. The best time to trade is actually, it depends on you. When are you most free? When you have less disturbances? When will you be alone in your safe space, in your quiet space? Okay, so on my end, this time of the day, you find that very many people are at work. People are still, for those that study, people are at school. So you find that I find this my peaceful time where I know no one is going to disturb me, no one is going to interrupt me. So of course, Sanjay, before I come on here, I make sure that I'm really, really okay. I'm really okay because I do my very best to avoid and prevent those disturbances, right? Okay, so always choose a time that you know is going to be convenient for you rather than being there carrying out your beautiful trades, waiting for your amazing moves, and then you get distracted. Okay, hold up. Okay, just to give you a reminder, because I'm very sure I've talked about my strategy very many times, and I believe people at least right now have a clue, people have a few tips about it, people at least have an idea about it. I do not know which strategy you are using to trade on your end over there. That's why I was asking, such that at least we share here and there. All right. I use a pure price action and I focus so much on the market direction, market structure, and the candlestick pattern. So, with those confluences of my strategy, it is at the same time backed up by the alligator indicator or by the indicator. Most of the times I use so much the alligator indicator, though I have the MACD indicator set as well. Both of them, I use them set at default. So, right? Yay! Beautiful, beautiful. That was a beautiful one. Okay, so as we see, we are in an uptrend just right about now. And we are building some good momentum over here. Okay, as you see, we are in an uptrend and definitely creating some pullbacks over there. Okay, so we know very well that when we are looking at price action, when I talk about market direction, we are talking about an uptrend, a downtrend, or consolidation. By now, at least I know that at least we know when you talk about the market direction, we know what direction this is right about now. We are in an uptrend, okay, as you can see. Then when we move in the opposite direction, that is a downtrend. When we are sideways, that is consolidation. Okay, then we have market structure where we basically look at the higher highs and the higher lows for an uptrend, lower highs and the lower lows for a downtrend. Right there with our structure, we look at those strong points or those major points that push the previous. For example, if we are in an uptrend, we look at that major higher low that pushes the major higher high to break structure. And definitely when structure is broken, we definitely anticipate a pullback. Okay, so for people who know how to trade at a pullback, Whenever I talk about a pullback, I want you to understand me here clearly. Whenever I talk about a pullback, like I said, when we are in an uptrend, it does not mean that the buyers, are fully in control of the market. When I talk about an uptrend, we are having buyers in control of the market, but the sellers are also there. All right. So that way, whenever we talk about a pullback, if we are in an uptrend, if you have realized, that is when we place in the sell trade. All right. Yes, so that simply means that the sellers are also trying to come or to see if they can take over the market. That is when we experience those pullbacks, okay? But for as long as we have not broken the major higher low, okay, that pullback has not broken below the previous major higher low, it simply means that we are still safe, we are still in an uptrend. So after that, we definitely proceed and we have a continuation, okay. So that is with an uptrend, and then when we come to a downtrend, as you see over here, beautiful bearish structure formed over here. Okay, so definitely you know what exactly is going on over here. Okay, so with a downtrend, we definitely look at that major lower high that pushes the previous lower low, that pushes the lower low to break structure. And when structure is broken, one thing you should always know is that we are going to have pullbacks formed there. When we have a pullback, definitely one thing you should know is that if you can trade at a pullback, actually now when we have a pullback in a downtrend, that simply means that we are going to buy, right? If you have seen how I've been doing it, at least now that you know. What does that mean? It simply means that it's not only the sellers that are in the market, but also the buyers are in the market. So I will buy over there. Then if that pullback does not proceed and break above the previous lower high, if it continues and it breaks that previous lower low that we have created, we are definitely in a continuation. But if it breaks the previous lower high, all right, that simply means that we are going to have a reversal. We are going to change that particular direction that we are in. Let me hope we are getting these things because they are quite very important. And make sure that whenever you are trading, focus so much on your chart. Understand what it's telling you. It always communicates, all right? But if you are on and off, on and off, on and off, you reach a point and you get confused. But if you are focused on your chart, you keep looking at it, it actually ends up feeling like not just feeling like, but you are actually speaking the same language, you and the chat, okay? Because you know that right about now, this is why I'm looking at a consolidation, or I'm looking at a pullback over here. Like, you will always know what to do for as long as you do not skip any part of the chart, all right? So that's why being focused and being consistent in trading, very important. So please keep it up. Make sure that you watch your charts very well. Make sure that you analyze every bit of it, okay? So whenever we are trading, we catch a few tips here and there, and I always want you to definitely keep them at heart, all right? Okay, so taking you thinly, that is it about the strategy. It's all about understanding and definitely knowing what you have to do, what you're doing in that particular time. Okay, that is, let me see. Hi, doctor. How are you doing? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Okay, contractor Kennedy. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Ruth is in the building. Hi, Ruth. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining Yoga Lena. All right, that is a shy. Okay, shy. All right. Oh my goodness. Good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. Okay, Marady is in the building. Hi, Marady. How you doing? Hope you are doing okay. How is South Africa doing? Teacher Lee is in the building. Hi, Teacher Lee. How are you, my darling? How you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Anthony, I see you over there. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. DJ System. Hi, DJ System. Happy birthday to you. Of course, not forgetting that yesterday you told us that today is your birthday. Guys, please help me wish DJ System a happy birthday. Please. It is his special day today, so let us share some love. Let's share some love over here. Happy birthday, and definitely we want to wish you a happy life, a blessed life. All that you touch and all that you want to do in life, may you be successful, may you prosper. All right, Lena over here, I wish you all the very best, all the very best, and everyone else wishes you. But guys, please share some love, share some love. Okay, right. Okay. Definitely, DJ System, it would have been an amazing one for to have a birthday, and definitely close it with some profits. But if it is like that, one thing I've learned in life is that everything happens for a reason. Okay, so please rejoice and be happy in your new age. We love you so much. Don't mind. That is Cole in the building. Hi, Cole. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay. That is React. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Guys, it's a beautiful day, and let me see some beautiful people join in, some beautiful energy in the building. Damn right. I dedicate my time. Let's proceed. I don't mind for what. Beautiful. We have closed in a plus. Guys, do you know that when you keep being consistent, when you keep analyzing the market and knowing what exactly uh, what your chart is reading, do you know that it will not stress you the way you think it actually would? Okay, just make sure that you are consistent. Definitely you have that trading skill, right? So things become lighter, things become easier. And just know, if you are doing something over and over again, you actually see certain things that you alone can see on your chart. All right. So just make sure that you love what you have, you love what you're doing. Things get better and things get easier. Trust me. But if you do it without consistency, things become tricky. So let us keep it that way. Let us be consistent. Like I told you, I've never been consistent in my beginnings, but I learned it the hard way. And it is something very, very good, because on my end, I am a full-time trader now. So if I'm to do anything else, it's catching up with friends and family, or doing my other personal things. But if it's for anything that is to bring me money or something of the sort, trading is my number one. So I gave my 100% to it. All the other things that come attached to it are just minors, but it is my major, right? Okay. You want to get job. Okay. Ooh, I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the one. I'm the only one. When you wake up, when you wake up. Oh, I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one. Uzbekistan, that is where Ko comes from. Good to have you, good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you in the building. Let us proceed. Thank you for always coming through each and every single day. Much love, and you are appreciated. What you got? What you got? Hi Miss, how you doing? Hope you're doing okay. So for the time frame, for the candle, 5 seconds, the chart, 15 seconds, and the expiration time, 15 seconds as well. That is my setup. All right, that is what I feel comfortable using, but feel free to put up a setup that gives you comfort. Okay. Zafara. Ooh, closing a loss over there. Okay, how you doing? Lena over here is doing great. I'm doing amazing. What's up? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. I'm the one that you wanted in the gun, now you wanna lie now. You want to imitate you. Don't you know, girl, I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl, don't you know, girl, I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl, don't you know, girl, I am the one for you. You know what? Okay. Okay, so when it comes to the donations, guys, we have the donations link in my description over there. It definitely gives you everything that you need to know about the donations, all right? But if you go through something and you do not understand, my Telegram, the Telegram link is also over there in my description. Hit me up, okay? Let's chat such that we get to know exactly what's up, all right? But to each and every one of you, good to have you, good to have you. Thank you for always coming through. Thank you for always joining in. So we have started. We have started off with our donations. Let's see how today is going to play out. Anna Mbatha. Hi Anna, how you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Beautiful. That is for our first attempt. Guys, I come through with all the positivity. So let's see. Every day. Because I am fucked up totally. I don't know how to keep going. So I've been drinking cold. I've been drinking too many shots of cognac. One for the belly, another for the road. Okay. Three for addition, but so I don't walk back. We go in for our last attempt. Let's go. I can never be sober. Okay. Beautiful. Congratulations. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. Okay, perfect deep sleep, Polly. Hi, my darling. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. That's what's up. We are locked in. Let's go. Penny Paul. Hi, Penny Paul. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. We are definitely locked in. Okay, yeah, shout out. Okay, so next one that is Roscoe. Let's go. No wasting time. Beautiful one. Thank you guys for joining in. I'm so blessed to have you guys around. Beautiful. That is a plus. Just one more attempt to go. Okay. We have a continuation over here. Continuation for Russ. Okay, look at that. Congratulations, guys. We did not come to play today. Like Perfect Deep Sleep Polly says, we are locked in. All right. Let us collect our profits and go home happy. Why not? Guys, one thing you should not forget is that the market is so rich. Okay, the market is so rich, so rich. So when you come through the market, just make sure that you are wise enough, you have the knowledge, the skill to get what you came for and live happy, right? Penny Paul is asking, what's your strategy? I use a price action as my strategy, and that is definitely backed up by my indicators. That is alligator indicator and the MACD. Both set a default. Thank you, Teacher Lee. Thank you, Teacher Lee. We keep it going. Okay, Ezekiel. Hi, Ezekiel. How you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. I am I'm streaming live from Canada here. That's where I am. Hi, Prince. How you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. We are locked in, ready to collect our profits. Okay. Let's keep it going. We keep it going. No wasting any time. Let me withdraw.
Travel around the world, I know cost. But if I climb the train, it don't cost. Travel around the world, know I found you. And if I catch you plane, it don't catch. And I hope you gon' fly away today. I hope you gon' fly away today. But you know, see I fly. So no, they reject me. Oh, I'm calling. I did try.
Okay.
But you know, they get to me. If I'm calling, you go like, allow me to
Thank you, Penny Paul. Thank you so much. It takes time. It takes time to be true. Okay, yeah, that is. Okay, yeah. American love. Ezekiel, yes, yes, I'm from Canada. To go back to 15 seconds, that is 450 US dollars, 3 items. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Thank you, Cole. Thank you, thank you. I actually call you a Cole because I do not know the next letters of your name. I do not know how to read them, so that's why I go with Cole. Let me hope you're not offended because you know I love you so much. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Oh dear. That is my first attempt and closing a loss. Okay, so we are going to give it another try. Okay, yes, my dear. Practice makes perfect. Exotic is in the building. Hi, Exotic. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. Right about now, we are into our donations, as you can see. We are into our donations, as you can see. So let us proceed and we see. Okay, that is Sun. Hi, Sun. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. So, when we talk about the MACD, when we talk about the alligator indicator, those two, most of the times I use them for market direction, identifying market direction. Then they also give me signals, all right? They give me signals. For example, if we are looking at the alligator indicator, definitely we know very well when the green line crosses the other two lines, that is a signal for us. But it's not a confirmation, okay? It is giving you a signal that, hey, we are taking this particular direction, or we are, oh dear, oh dear. That is for parlay, and we have not closed on a positive side. Sorry about that. Okay, so they give me signals, but I talked about my confluences with price action. So when I look at what the alligator indicator is giving me and the MACD indicator is giving me, all right. Okay, okay. All right, so let us proceed. So those two help me with the signals, though not confirmation. Okay, let me proceed. I'm seeing contractor over here. It's not that. It's not that. Because before I start talking, I've already placed in that shade. Okay. It's something else. Beautiful, beautiful. So we are looking at 2000 as our take profit. Okay. Perfect deep sleep Polly. I see you over there. I see you. I see you over there. And that is Ezekiel asking me, why are you playing Nigerian music? Um, Let me tell you one thing. Even if you are someone somewhere, just like how Perfect Deep Sleep Polly has responded to you, you find that you will learn about certain music. I'm someone actually sometimes who loves the Jamaican music, but are you going to say that I'm from there as well? Okay, so it all comes through with the vibe that a certain music has or the impact that it puts on you. So the vibe, we vibe, as simple as that. Okay, all right, let's go. Okay, beautiful. We proceed. Guys, today not wasting time. Let's go, let's go. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That is a good one. That's a beautiful one. Congratulations. Okay, hi, Mike is in the building. Hi, Mike, how you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. And there we have Kofi. Hi, Kofi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing okay. Thank you for coming through. Okay. That's lovely. That is definitely lovely. I love it so much when people have plans, when people are looking out for certain things, when people have strategies, people have targets, all right? So, Mike, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. That simply means that you have collected knowledge, you have sought knowledge. So that is beautiful. But like I keep saying, do not forget about risk management at whatever cost. At whatever cost, do not forget about risk management. Very, very important. Okay, Adam, we give it one more try. Okay, Gap Pieces in the building. Hi, Gappies, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Beautiful mistakes. Okay, Adam, for our second attempt, I'm seeing we are going in the opposite direction still, and we have closed in a loss over here. So sorry about that. Yes. Sanjay is communicating. Make sure you hit that like button for me and subscribe as well, guys. Let us keep it going. We keep it going. Why not? Why not? This is our home, so we should be happy in it. Making beautiful mistakes. Beautiful mistakes.
Cause I let you. Usually I like my situations beneficial. I want something different. Got me looking stupid. The only way I'm coming back to you is if you're dreaming. Lucid, prove it. If you made a promise, then keep it. Why you wanna lie and then get mad? I don't believe it, but really I was doing shit. Why you wanna lose me like you don't need me? Like I don't block you and you still try to
4J, hi 4J, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you joining. Good to have you. Good to have you. Joshua is in the building. Hi Joshua, how are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. Beautiful mistake. Okay. Mike, I love your strategy. I love the vibe. I love the vibe. Please just make sure that you keep it the way it's supposed to be. Do not trade with your emotions. You know what's up. We've been talking about it. We've been talking about a lot of things over here. So just make sure that you make all of us proud, right? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm just waiting for you to fill us in. I'm waiting for you to fill us in. When everything goes well, trust me, I will be so proud of you. And if at times things do not go well, just know that it is expected as long as you are minimizing your losses as well. Okay?
Somehow I was in the feeling bad. Baby, I am not your dad. It's not all you want from me. I just want your company. Girl, it's obvious. Out of it, don't act so confused. You upset in it. Now I'm in the mood. Now we arguing in my bedroom. We play games a lot to avoid that. I won't be a big I ain't trying to tell you what to do. Try to play cool, baby. I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Look around like you're brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do.
Beautiful, beautiful. We are taking it for 5 items.
Everything look better with a view. So I ain't trying to pay your love on the regular. When you could be going out, let me show you love. I will never let a shorty go and set me up. Only thing I need to know is if you wet enough. I'm talking slick back, big back, gangs and bodies. You keep playing under the day with your shorty, miss me.
That is a beautiful one. Okay, so that is our second attempt. Let's see for the remaining 3 attempts.
I ain't trying to tell you what to do. Try to play cool, baby. I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Walk around like you're brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do. Try
Okay, that was close. That was close. Okay, we proceed. It's not a secret I tried to hide. You know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards, and fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? Hi, Premium. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. I'm doing okay. How about you, my dear? Hope you're doing all right. Going in for my last attempt. Let's see. You think it's easy? You think I don't to you, but there are mountains. Okay. And there are doors that we can walk through. I know you're wondering why, because you're able to be just you and me. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. I do not know why the buyers tempted to come through just to disorganize us, but thankfully we have closed in a plus. Congratulations, that is to Flux. Congratulations. Rewrite the stories. Three items for shadow. Rewrite. Okay, let's proceed. Definitely that will be our next list over there. Mic for the candlestick time, that is 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Excuse me. You're welcome.
Okay, Coconut Man, Moonhead, and P. You ready?
Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We have just one more to go for shadow. Smile.
Why is everybody so serious?
Mysterious.
Got shades on your eyes and your heels so high that you can't even have a good
Time. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right.
Can you feel that? Yeah, we're paying with love tonight.
It's not about money, money, money.
We don't need your money, money, money.
We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Forget about the price tag. Okay. We need to close enough plus. Definitely everything was amazing over there. Let's catch another move. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Money, money, money. Okay, a premium is asking me for how long have you been trading? I've been trading for over 5 years. 5 years in trading. Okay, beautiful. Congratulations to Shadow. Yesterday was so unfortunate for Shadow, but thank you for sending in your donation for yet another day. No giving up, guys. No giving up. So congratulations to Shadow. Money, money, money. Oh goodness. On my end, as Lena over here, it is about the money. It is about the money. I will not lie. Okay. Money, 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 money. Forget about the price tag. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Forget about the price tag. Mm-hmm. Good time. It's always a good time with you guys. It is always a good time. Whenever I come live and you guys come through, appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. Be blessed, and definitely I want to see you thrive in your trading. Okay. It's always a good time. Good morning and good night. Bye. Alright. It's always a good time. Keep trying, guys. No giving up, alright? No giving up. We keep trying, we keep going. It's always a good time. Okay, Supreme Premium. One thing I can tell you is that one whole year was not a good year for me. That was the year when I made all the mistakes. I was inconsistent. I wasn't disciplined. I was too stubborn. So at times I want to say that I've traded for 4 years. But even the time for our mistakes, we have to count it because it taught us a lot to get to where we are. So I will say a year and a few months. That is when I wasn't actually profitable. Then I started making profits. Um, that is that is in that last part of the second year, you can imagine. So it becomes difficult. That's why I was telling you that we'll not to give up, okay? But making those regular profits where I felt like, okay, I was doing better for myself, I was doing good. In that second year, I was honored with the market like that. Then now in the third year, that's when things I would enter into the market and I know what exactly I'm going to do, what I have to do. I've made this loss because of this and that, all right? So to be true, in the third year, that's when everything was very okay, where I would come look at my charts and know exactly what it's reading, what it's telling me, what to do next, what to wait for, when to enter into the market, when not to enter. My first year went just like that because of my inconsistency. I was not consistent at all. I would take months and months being angry at the market for the losses that I've made. And looking at my charts, at some point, it felt like I was helping the market, so that whole year did not benefit me. The second year, that's when I started picking up and knowing that I have to be financially independent. So things became really good, and I fell in love with trading completely. And also, that was in my third year. Until now, I've never looked back. One, I made sure that I do my trading uh, in the most convenient way, the best timing ever. I make sure that the strategy that I'm using, I am consistent. My setup, I'm consistent. Risk management, uh, discipline, all those things. My emotions are put in check, you know. So with time, as you keep going, you keep learning how to control yourself, how to know what to do, when to do it, and why you're doing it. Okay. So that is my journey. That is my journey. Excuse me. Be consistent. Be consistent. Very important point in trading, whether with your strategy, your setup, in your daily tradings. And then also the other thing that keeps you or pushes you is, oh, so sorry, so sorry, Callaway, so sorry. The other thing that I was telling you about is that you having a target, all right? A target. So if we are talking about a target, what are you when okay, let me give an example. On my end, I have weekly targets, all right? So just make sure that you have those targets. You make sure that you have weekly or monthly. Daily are tricky, are tricky. You will put yourself on pressure and then you will find that you are not actually achieving what you thought you would achieve. So putting it at a weekly, monthly, it's understandable, all right? So have a target that pushes you to actually do what you have to do to so that by the end of the week, by the end of the month, you have met that target that you set, okay? So there are a lot of things that can motivate you or that can push you to keep going. In a morning, I'm crazy. Be my baby love. In the morning when I'm waking up. Be, be my baby love. Okay, we are taking it for just 3 attempts. Let's go. What's the only thing I'm thinking now? In the morning when I'm awake, be my baby love. Okay, let us proceed. All right. Be my baby love. Be my baby love. Oh dear. What is going on? What's going on? Okay, for Lucan over here, still 3 attempts. Which can that is our first attempt. Okay, for our second one, just one more to go. Wish that I could let you love me, just smile with me. Beautiful. Okay, so congratulations. That is to Lucan over there. Congratulations. Shower, 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 shower. Wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Wish that I could let you love me. What's the matter? What's the matter with me? Wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. No. What's the matter with me? Bitcoin. Congratulations. I wish. Baby, lay all back and relax. Keep your pretty feet up on my dash. No need to go nowhere fast. Just enjoy right here where we at. Who knows where this road is supposed to lead? We got nothing but time. As long as you're right here next to me, everything's gonna be alright. We are looking at a take profit of 2,000. I don't mean to be so uptight, but my heart's been hurt a couple times by a couple guys that didn't treat me right. I ain't gonna lie, 'cause I'm tired of the fake love. Show me what you're made of. Make me believe. Oh, hold up, girl, don't you know you're beautiful? And it's easy to say. It's not to me, maybe just let it be. It's not to be, maybe just let it be. So won't you ride with me, see where this thing goes. Maybe we don't. Maybe we won't. Maybe just let it be. Hi Ivan, how you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. That is a boomer. We are looking at a take profit of 2,000. 2,000. Let's go. You know you make me want. Okay, let's go. With a buy position over here. I'm writing this song. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Baby, that's why. Make me wanna hold you to the morning light. Surrender my soul. Let's go. 2,000. Oh dear. Okay. Buyers behave. Beautiful. Buyers should behave. Congratulations. Congratulations. I'm born in your brain. Hey, that's why. Make me wanna hold you till the morning light. Surrender my soul. Just can't find. Surrender my soul. Okay, Myra. That is 752 atoms. Make me wanna hold you to the morning light. Surrender my soul. Just can't find. Surrender my soul. Oh, you make me wanna surrender my soul. Just can't hide. Surrender my soul. Make me wanna hold you till the morning light. Surrender my soul. You make sure that you take your time, all right? Take your time, analyze the market properly, and then catch that move, okay? No rushing. Beautiful. So that is our first atom. Just one more to go. All right. To the second one.
I've been hearing symphonies before I heard my silence. A rhapsody for you and me.
Okay.
Every melody is
You know, there are some moves that
life was strange.
you go into and you will see that this one is going to close in a plus, all right? So guys, if we are not looking at things like consolidation, pullbacks and all that, for someone who is a beginner, wait for those interesting moves. Actually, you will find that trading will become very, very interesting on your end if you wait for those obvious moments, all right? If you are in a downtrend, wait for those sell moves, all right? Those amazing ones, wait for them, okay? Instead of trading at a complicated situation. That is what I would advise you. At the end of the day, for someone who is a beginner, you do not need to carry out very, very many entries, okay? Just a few, but profitable, good to go, all right? Song is on repeat and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. Let go, symphony. And I let go. Okay. Let's withdraw. I just wanna be part of the symphony. And I let go. To me, everything is full of haters. Greater from nothing we do. Okay, so let us get into it with our last list over here for the participants. In the good life. Now we passed, now we alright. Yeah, 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 yeah. That is a beautiful bullish structure over there. Okay, beautiful. Let's go. That is Hi Jason, how you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Let's see what definitely. Ooh, beautiful. That was a pull back, and we close in a plus. Why not? So, what is it giving us? Beautiful. Definitely, we are okay. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Still in an uptrend. Okay. That is one thing you should know. Trading at a pullback. Beautiful. That's true. That is true. Perfect deep sleep poly. That is very true. We are still in it, still locked in, so let's roll. Got my from my day once. Okay. Ooh. Let us be. Oh dear. Oh. Hey. Down in fire. City outside now. to the sky. That is for Tobias. Two atoms. That is the first one. Let's sing. Okay, let's have a continuation over here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations. That is for Tobias. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's keep it going. We keep it positive. Okay, a beautiful momentum over there. All right. We are taking it for 3 atoms. Let's see how we close it. Spending all this money while you sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came up from nothing. Made it from the bottom, now when you see me, I'm stunting. And all of my cars are with a push of a button. Telling me I changed since I blew up or whatever you call it. Switch the number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name on my shirt, you can tell it and ball it. Swish, what a shame, could've got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top or what you could've saw. But sad to say, it's over for. Phantom pull up, valet, open doors. Wish that go away, got what you was looking for. Now it's me who they want, so you can go and take that little piece of shit with you. Okay, just one more to go. Like we used to do. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. Like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just hope you know it's hard to love you like me. Must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think you might want to come show up at your door. But I'm just too afraid that I'll be wrong. Kerry Vanzi, congratulations, congratulations. Just holding on to you so tight, the way I did before. I know I told you your love was a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. Okay, so that is Duck over there. We are looking at a take profit of 2,500. Okay, yeah, let's proceed. Guys, so with Duck, that will be the end of our donations. He is the last participant for the day. All right, and allow me thank you guys for the beautiful, beautiful session that we have had. I feel so great. I feel so indebted to you guys. But the one thing that you should not forget is that we are always here for learning purposes. So whenever it is 3 p.m., make sure that you come in through early enough. Send in a question here, send in a question, one or two. Let us know how you're doing. Let's share. Let us know how you're doing in your trading. If you are having any challenges, feel free to share. We are traders, and whenever it is 3 p.m., it is our session for us to talk, to share, to become better traders. So please just make sure that you share. Let's learn. Let us keep growing. Let us keep improving ourselves. Let us keep becoming better and better people. Okay. So every day, every single day, I go live. That is 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, and every day I'm so happy and so blessed to have you guys join in. Okay, so we are at 2 already. Let's see. Yeah, you know I want your love. Somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me, say boy. Let's not talk too much. Back on my way. Thank you, Jason. Thank you, Jason. Just give it a little time, all right? Give it time, be consistent. Some of the things that I keep talking about here, please take them very, very seriously. They will help you get there, all right? Congratulations. Hi, Stephen. How are you doing? Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Actually, you have come through when we are almost closing the session, but no worries. Today we talked about the strategy. We have shared a little here and there. Oh, my darling video track. My two darlings have come through when we are almost closing. That is a Stefan and video track. How are you guys doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you join in. We have had an interesting session today. Let me hope tomorrow it will be possible for you to come in early. And then Daniel has also just come through. Hi Daniel, how you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you join in. Over here, as you can see, this is our last person for the donations, our last participant, and we have closed in a plus. Okay, yes, my darling, you're late, but tomorrow is another day. We shall catch up. How is Tanzania? How is Tanzania doing? Hope all is well. Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you are doing some trading here and there. Okay. So guys, after this, we are going to call it a day. I will see you tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you so much. Stay blessed. Catch you tomorrow, same time, same place. Okay. Bye bye. Yeah, with the shape. I'm loving this body. Discovered something brand. I'm loving this body. Discovering something brand. I'm in love with the shape of you. Okay. Okay, by premium, it was good having you around. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for sticking around. Guys, do not forget to like and subscribe as well. I always feel so good and so happy whenever I see you guys join my session. Okay, bye, Jason. I've not yet closed because I'm still trying to withdraw. To withdraw. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, oh. Mm-mm. I'll give you emotion. I'll make it feel like a vacation. I'll get into an ocean. We don't need nobody. I just need your body. Nothing but sheets in between us. Ain't no getting off early. I know you're always on the night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I don't need no Thank you, Video Truck. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. Simple music, but definitely it gets to us. So about that, Pocket Trader has also just come through, guys. Oh. It's good to have you. Hi, how you doing? How is your day going? How is everything over there? Hope all is well. Hope you are doing amazing. That's lovely, Stefan. That's lovely. Good to hear that. Okay, let me withdraw, guys, and go.
Mm-hmm.